Good afternoon. Manjunath. Manjunath. Deepika. Deepika.
Yes, sir.
Deepika.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready
Sir, what? For what, sir?
for lab?
Yes, sir.
Your system is ready.
Sir, no, actually, I'm not feeling well, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Arjun, sir.
All right. Arjun, I'll tell you briefly the explanation. Then let them go there. Huh?
Sir.
Okay. So I hope all of you got the file name, no? EJP. All of you got it or not?
Oh, sir.
Manjana, system is ready.
Sir, awning, sir, now.
Huh?
I'm booting it, sir, now.
Okay. What about Manisha? No, everybody's system should be ready. You complete it along with me. We'll close. That's all. Today one program. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow you tell me one program. Next Monday, Tuesday I'll complete one more program. That's all. Probably you will be having Friday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, maybe exams. I hope. Before that we'll finish it off. Okay. Shall I take tomorrow after proctoring 3 o'clock? Or day after tomorrow also okay. Whichever you are convenient, I will take that one only. Manisha. Now everybody should share and you have to show it. Then only attendance will be given. That is common. Otherwise, you people will not practice it. No leniency, nothing. So after sharing your screen, you will be getting the attendance. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Manisha, system is ready. Bhargavi.
Actually, my laptop
Tell me,
is
Manisha.
so.
Huh?
Yes, sir, ready, sir.
Okay, you make it ready. Actually, I'll tell you. All of you got the file, no? This file, all of you got it. Recently, I have sent the mail. Okay. So now here, what are all the steps to be followed? We have to have entered it here. Just 5 to 10 minutes of the code we have to enter it. That's all. Not even 5 minutes. Just 10 lines of the code we have to enter it. So that how to enter it, I'll tell you. So here is create the file EJB module and file and executions. Now just why I am telling you is nothing but because here you check it out. How many files are there? Mine. Database EJB app I have created, EJB lab I have created. Next is one more is I'm having the EJB lab 13. So many confusions. If I give one more file in between, it will come, it will mix the files. That is the reason I'll be telling you do it parallelly. That's all. Step by step it is there. Arjun will be sharing the screen and according to that steps we have to make it. So now what you have to do is when you are creating EJB, so you have the two files will be created. One is called that project name -EJB. One is called war. So whatever you are giving your file names and session beans, that to be remembered. That's all. So that means you have to enter it later stages. That's all. So that's what I want to tell you. So code is simple. Just parallelly you finish it up. That's all. I will be going very slowly only. If you have doubt, please tell us. We'll repeat the steps. That's all. Okay. So now I'll close. Shall I close the window?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'll close it. Arjun, you share your this one.
Yeah, sir. I'll share. Sir. Sir, visible?
Database 8th, 9th, 10th program you give it. All of you listen. Go to the project. Java EE. Enterprises application. Wait 1 second. So can you able to follow other people?
Yes, sir.
Manjunath, either Murali Krishna.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Now click next. Here you have to, what is this? Name you have to give. You give what 9th, 10th you give it. Program
sir.
10 na?
Right, sir.
1 second. All the people should. Shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, click it. All you give the same names. Other people also try to give the same name so that you will not get any confusions. Here, enable the context. You check it out. Click it. Enable. Are you getting other people's? Manjunath.
Sir, for me, that is not coming, sir.
Huh?
For me, that check, it is not coming, sir.
You might have. What you have taken?
So it is showing in that place for me Java EE version. Java
Which
EE
version yours?
7.
Same version only, no? College given that one only, no?
Yes, sir. Now I got. Sir.
1 second, I'll come back. Finish, you give it. He will stop the sharing. You share the.
Yes, sir. Now I
window.
got, sir. Now I got.
Got it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to take Java EE
6,
and
sir.
this one. Okay. Other people got it. Ginger, you're telling something?
If you have select 6, sir, we will get that option, sir.
Right, sir. Bhargavi?
Yes, sir, I got it, sir.
Okay. Manisha?
Sir, my laptop is not working, sir.
Anu?
Sir, doing, sir. I got it.
Got it? You do it parallelly, no? That's what we are waiting. Otherwise, why will wait? You give the same names what he has given.
Yeah, sir, doing.
Manisha, laptop is not working only.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So now, what I have given is create EJB modules and Java EE enterprises applications we have taken. What I have told you is give the project name EJB lab, but here you have given program 10, no problem. Now this window you got it and click me finish. Arjun,
Sir?
enable is not required, Baba. So sorry.
Okay, sir. 1 second.
Delete it and once again, can you do it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 second. Enable is not required, Baba. Select.
No, sir. It
Yes,
is not
yes.
selecting.
Okay, no problem. Yes. Now once again you give it. All of you do the same thing. EE extension. Next. Give program 10. You give PROG 10 only. Okay.
Sir, because
Next.
already that file created, no, so it won't come.
Okay, next. Finish. Right. Now, this you can can you make it bigger one? Your window, files,
this is-
services, projects. That make it bit drag it.
This won't become big, sir, I think. No, it is not becoming, sir.
No problem. And
If you
now,
want, sir, if you want any highlighting, I can do highlight.
okay. So
One
bit
second,
come
sir.
down this menu. No
One
problem.
second. One second. Zoom it. 1 second, sir.
All of you made it that? See, now he is getting bit. This one, can you come down this menu? Scroll down. First one, first window. Bit. Program 10 should be first. Bit. Right. Now, are you able to get it? Java EE models, configuration files, server registration. Next, program 10 EJB, program EJB var. All of you got it? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
So no, sir. Again, that step.
Huh?
That step again I need.
You didn't get it,
Yes, sir.
1 second, you stop the sharing. Arjun.
Sir, stopped.
Now you share it, yeah. You share your screen. Where is he? Pawan.
Yes,
He's
sir.
not respond. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Share the screen. You
Sir,
have to make it fast. Otherwise, other people will be stucking.
Sir, it's
Otherwise,
not
we'll
me.
complete the process. Then we'll see one by one.
Sir, Moodle had it, sir.
Huh?
So 1 minute, sir. I'm logging in the laptop. I logged in using mobile. Just a
That we
minute, sir.
cannot wait, Baba. That you have to make it. Arjun, you share it. For one person purpose, we cannot wait other people. You see the window and you can make the steps later. Share, Arjun.
Sir, shared.
Immediately you should share it. Then only I can be able to solve it. So other people you are getting, this program 10 and EJB program 10 var. All of you got it, I hope.
Yes, sir.
See, what I'm telling is yesterday's. So file names, try to give it whatever you are giving, that should be coming up. Otherwise, what will happen? Some previous programs, if you have errors also, it will not work this. Previous programs, previous projects, if you are having errors, this program will not be working. If you have errors, so that you file name, you give it such a way that to come front. That means alphabetically. For example, if you have given B name, you have errors, you try to give A. Start with A, so that it will be coming first. You will not be having any problems to compile and run. Right. Program 10 EJB is the next step. What is the next step? You say there, Arjun. EJB var and new JSP file.
Sir, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ sir.
You have to get it this one. Now you have to go program 10 -EJB is there, no? Var is there, no? Universe var here. EJB after next. Right click. Wait, all of you. Let it 1 second, all of you. Can you see all of you? Your name -var is there in the under that whatever you have created the project. Second level you are having, and you will be creating JSP file now. JSP, selected JSP. New JSP.
Sir, name?
Name what you will give?
In program, what you give, sir?
I have given there, 1 second, I will tell you.
To copy paste, it will be very easy.
No problem, that is no problem. Var and JSP program. I have given main display, Baba. Main display. All of you give the same.
Sir, underscore, no need, no? Direct.
No. You give all small letters only. All of you give main display only. Shall we go ahead? Other people have to say, somebody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Amrish, you are getting?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
War we should select, sir.
Yes, madam. Yes, Anu. Who is telling? Pavitra, na?
Yes, sir.
Var, right click, new JSP program. What you have done in lab program, JSP program, you have done it now. Same thing, you have to select it now. You
Sir,
give the
here,
file
here.
name, display.
Sir, I'm doing from beginning. See, sir. New.
No, that is the problem. Yeah, why you went back? You see the create the problems. 1 second. Plus you go. Plus. No, var plus is there, no. No.
1 second, sir. 1 second.
For any reason you don't go back, Arjun.
Yeah, sir.
It will create problems, unnecessary problems. Sometimes it will not run only. Var, right click, new, JSP. It will, while running the programs, it will create the problems. Main display. You don't go only. I will tell you the steps if somebody asks. Shall we click finish? Yes, click finish. So now, Arjun,
Sir.
in your program, you have inside the body have done it, the main display. Do you have the code?
1 second, sir. I'm checking.
Otherwise, I'll tell you, you can write it.
Sir, here.
Come to the body. Just will type it. Let them type. Other people also will be copying. No problem.
Where, sir?
Inside the body. Inside the body. Open the form. Delete it. Form. Action is equal to. Type it, all of you. You will be getting form. Action is equal to. You have to create one file. What you do? Have given the file name cal servlet, CAL servlet. Next, action is equal to, method is equal to post. Method equal to post. Enter. End of the body. End of the form you have entered it. No, right. Now, just one more enter it. Right. Now go up. Go up. Right. One more line up. All of you getting this? Now just go to tools. Menu is there. Now go to tools.
Yes, sir.
Tools. Above one. So you have palette. Down is
palette.
Palette. It's not visible. HTML. Right click. No, that is the easiest way. That's all. HTML forms. Plus. So here you have text box. No, just drag it text box. Select and drag it down. Drag it outside that window. Leave it. Here you enter it. What I have entered is T1. Small letters. Okay. Similarly T2. Once again drag it. Easiest one, yeah, all of you I am telling. T2. Okay. Next button. Leave it. Addition. Okay. Yes, close it. Now just click it here.
Sir.
No, that's coming after form. Your cursor, you have to keep it here and you have to make it here.
Yeah.
Okay, enter it. But where is the button? Okay.
Sir, done.
T1, T2, T3. Now before input, come here. Enter the value of A. No. Here, before input you come. Before input.
Sir.
First one. Same line, yeah. Before input, you come. Cursor, make it before input. There, enter it. Enter the value. Enter the value. Enter the first value. Enter the first value. Other people you can copy from your program to here. Just I am telling to practice. It is easy. No need to do anything. That's all. T1 only. No. T2. Same thing. Enter the second value. I hope I have given. Enter the first value. Enter the second value. Submit is equal to addition. No. Okay. All right. So now which file this form action is nothing but cal servlet that will come back. Now we'll go to the business. All of you got it this? Pawan Kumar?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Bhargavi?
Yes, sir.
Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
No, what I'm telling is you can, otherwise you can have given the code that copy and paste it. Just easy way. No, see, we just he has went there palette and selected HTML forms, drag and drop. That's all. Okay. So that means syntax is Arjun.
Sir.
Here after the first input, just break you give it. Otherwise it will come one line only. Not there. Not there. End of the line. You give.
Oh, okay.
One more look. End of the BR. Next also end of the BR. That is its decorations. Yeah, it will come one line. That's all. Everybody completed this file. We'll give some time. Yeah, other people. All of you completed. Shall we go ahead?
Yes,
This
sir.
you can highlight it, Arjun. What you have typed.
Okay, sir.
That's it. He has typed only 3 lines of the code now. Shall we go ahead? Other people, you have to say. Then only I can go ahead. Lata, Pavitra.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Right, completed it seems. Next, Bhargavi, what is the next step I've written after copying this code? You can see your program. Then go to EJB hyphen program project name hyphen EJB. One second. Go up. EJB is there, no?
Yes, sir. This one.
EJB. Select that. All of you select that one only. Shall we go ahead? Right click. New. Other. Wait 1 second. All of you can able to see? Bhargavi?
Yes, sir. I'm seeing.
All right. Click other. So here, what you have to do is Enterprises Java Beans is there. There is Enterprises Java Beans. Next session bin. Wait some time. Let all of you do it. See, I'm telling to him, you see it here, then we'll give time, then you can go ahead. That's why you have to practice. Right? All right. Session bin next.
Sir, name?
Here you have to session name you have to give it. I have given Enterprises Java Bean. Next other 1 second. What I have given a file name, I will check it out. Session Bean and selection finish. EJB name. Calculation I have given.
Okay.
Next package name you have to give it. Session
sir.
bean have given.
Sir, capital letter?
No. You give all small letters. No confusion. Next, click local. Wait. All of you finished this? You give the same name. EJB name is calculation. Package name is session. There are 3 names to be given. You try to give same names. Yeah. Once completed, then you can do your own programs once again at home. No problem. Because I'm not, if it is offline, I can tell you in detail, I can show you even if you get errors, but online, this is the problems. Pawan?
Yes, sir.
Can we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Murali Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Kishore? Kishore?
Sir.
Can we go ahead?
Sir.
Are you doing or not?
Sir, now only I joining, sir.
Why?
Sir, power cut, sir.
Okay. Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go ahead. Finish, Arjun. Because this one only important. Because client said you know how to create the programs, all these things. Now, 1 second. Here you come to function. File is created.
Yes, sir. Calculation.java, calculation local.java. There are 2.
Yes, yes. Now come to last before line. Enter it. Enter 1 or 2, 3 lines. Now go up now. Okay, go up. All of you got this file? I hope you might have got it, this file. Now right click, Arjun. Just you see here, all of you. Insert code. Right click, insert code. All of you click it. Right click, insert code. Do you got window? 1 second.
Sir.
Yes,
All of
sir.
you got window?
Yes,
You
sir.
should say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. First one you select, Arjun. Add business method. Yeah. So you give add. ADD. Now next click browse. All of you do the same thing. Click browse. Their calculation is there, no? Just integer you type, Arjun. Integer. First one you got it, no? Select that. 1 second. All of you got this? All of you got? Bhargavi?
Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Select, enter, yeah. Okay. So 1 second, I'll tell you. Here is have type return type into float, but I don't know, maybe I have done mistake or what, it was not working. So if you want float values, you type it float. If it is integer, you integer, so that you will not get any errors in this. That's what I have practiced both, but there I didn't get it. I don't know. You can try it later. You type it only int here also, type it, but this is working. Which one is working, I'm telling. Right. Now click add. A.
Sir?
A. Variable name A. Next, type, click it. Type is the next one only. Next, select integer.
Done, sir.
Next, all of you see, then you can add it, no problem. Add, we'll wait after completing this. Add. B. Next, int. No need to add. 1 second. That's it. So I'll be taking return type is integer, 2 values. I want to calculate A plus B server side. That's all. Once you complete this, then you can go for the bigger one. It's your wish. When you are practicing first time, you go for the small one. Examination also, this is sufficient. Got it, all of you? Shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right, Arjun. You can click OK. Where is that code? It is there, no problem. And now return null is there, no? Null you delete it and keep, make it A plus B. A plus B within the bracket. Right, all of you done it this, that you make it bigger one pin. A plus B, you make it.
Ah, sir. Done.
One second, well, let others also follow, no? Because it will take time, that's all. That is the reason. Okay, shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Right, madam. See now, under this session bean, you got one more file also, calculation local.java. One more you got it. Now, what is that file name, Arjun?
Calculation local Java.
Local. So that means what? Here local, session beans, whatever you are entering, that it will be doing the calculations and the interfaces will be creating here. Interfaces will be creating. That's what I told you. You can double click that. You can double click and you can see the code there. See here, interface, packages, session bean, import java.ejbx, message passing, all these things we have discussed morning itself. That's what this one. So integer add int a comma int b. I hope all of you got it. All of you got it, this file? Right. Now your half of the code got over. Now here one more, next down come, scroll down this one, left hand side, Arjun. You have client side, no? Client side is what? Var is there, no? Just make it place that one, all of you. Down. PROG hyphen var is there, no? That you make it plus now. So now web programming plus make it
Web pages.
Web pages.
Index.jsp. Index.jsp.
Where is your file? This one. Client side we have created the main display.
One second, sir. This one. PRO10.
No, Baba. First we have created one JSP file, no? Main.jsp.
Main display.jsp here, sir.
Is there, no? Right. I got shock, right. Now, all of you, no, we have not done any operation yet. Just I have checked it. Now, program 10, right click.
Sir, which one? Var or year? Program 10.
Client. Program 10 var. No. Program 10 client means var. Okay, server side means EJB. You can remember that. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you have to create one servlet program. Correct now? You have to create the servlet program.
Servlet program, sir.
Huh?
See, sir.
Right click servlet program. All of you got it? One second. Let it be follow. See, client means var. Program 10 hyphen var is there, no? There you have to click, right click, and servlet program you select it. All of you. Click Arjun. So here we have given, I hope, cal servlet.
Sir, yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you give it cal servlet.
In form action, whatever we gave, we have to give.
No problem. Even if it is wrong, then there it will show the error. We can change it. No problem. Nothing will happen. Now come to the package. Anything is there? Default is there. Now you enter the session bin. SESSION. Bin, BEAN. 1 second, I'll check it out what you have given.
Yes, sir, session bin only. There also we give session bin.
Yes, and no, this you made it plus, no, otherwise it will be usable EJB. We have to give the same name here, session bin. So he has given package name also session bin only. That one only he has to give session bin here. same name. Otherwise, it will show the error. Shall we go ahead? Other people should say. 2
Yes, sir.
entries. Make it around, Arjun.
Sir?
Highlight it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That's it. He has entered the 2 made entries. Next. Now, if you have any problems, you tell us to wait so that we can finish. That's all. We don't want anything. Servlet program as it is. Now finish. Right.
Sir,
Now,
in manual you have checked.
madam,
Sir, in manual you have checked for add information something, sir. After next.
not getting what you are saying.
So after Maithili, sir.
Maithili, tell me, Maithili.
After giving next, then we have to check
Finish.
for add information, sir.
No. Don't do anything.
No
Just
need,
finish.
sir.
No need.
Actually, in manual it was checked, sir. So I asked.
Manually, what I have given?
You had checked for add information to deployment descriptor.
So see what I have done is EJB is there. See.
He is showing,
He's
sir.
telling
See
this,
that.
sir.
Okay.
This one.
That okay, no problem. Servlet program only, no. Cal servlet. Yes, yeah. Yes, you are right. XML you have to give, yeah. When I have forgotten.
Shall I
Cal
delete,
servlet,
sir?
delete it and once again you give it. Select, delete it. Okay. You give cal servlet once again. Where Maithili, you are right.
One second, sir. War. No.
Servlet.
Cal servlet. Session bin.
Session bean. Next. Add. Correct. Finish. Now, what I have to do is 2 things we have to make it. Cal servlet is there, no? Next line. Cal servlet. Next line. Go to end and check it. Enter it. All of you come here. All of you come here. Right click. Insert code. Call enterprises bin. Down. 1 second. All of you see there you have to do after your class call servlet extend HTTP servlet. Next line, what you have to do? Go call enterprises servlet. Click. What is your program name?
Sir, Pro 10. 1 second, sir. This one.
What is your program name?
Pro 10. PRO 10.
So come to the program 10. No, last one. Plus click it. Last. EJB.
Sir.
EJB. Correct. That one only. 1 second, I'll check it out. No, you should get calculation here there.
EJB, sir. We should get calculation.
You should get calculation.
Here I'm getting, sir.
That one. EJB hyphen that one. So see under your file name hyphen EJB, there you have to click it. Calculation you will get it. Program 10 hyphen that one you have to select it. Select that and OK.
Sir, OK is not coming. Bean is not the same model or enterprise application. 1 second, sir. It is redirecting.
What is the file name? Once again click it.
Sir, actually, sir, ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅದು.
source file.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು.
Delete it now.
Sir,
One second, you go there only. Okay, no problem. Clear. Delete it now. Nothing will happen.
sir.
Delete it.
No, sir. I'll copy paste the code. So.
Hey, don't copy paste, yeah. Cal Servlet is there, no? Cal Servlet Java.
Sir, that is there in PRO 10. This one came to this Prog 10. Starting one file create ಮಾಡಿ delete ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ ಕೂದದ.
ಅದು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
Go up. Now calculation Java go.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದಲ್ವಾ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫೈಲ್. ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 second, he got some confusion.
ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್? ಸೆಷನ್ ಬಿನ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಈಗ ನೀನು?
ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ. ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸರ್ವ್ಲೆಟ್
ಸರ್.
1 second. Give class name cal servlet. All of you wait. He has done mistake. Otherwise, Bhargavi, up to there, yours is working.
Yes, sir. Working, sir. Actually taking okay also, sir.
Okay. Package name you give it session bin. Next.
Sir, this file is already exist.
You close it, sharing, close it sometime, I'll tell you. Bhargavi, can you share it yours?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
You share it. Arjun, you see, you do it next time. You practice next time.
Yes.
That is the problems. Bhargavi shared.
1 minute, sir. I'm logging into lab.
That's all. You came to end and finally got stuck. Arjun.
Sir?
What you do is you go to see where you have installed the software, no?
No, sir. It's not software problem.
No. This one, your files will be stored. No, C: under users, so NetBeans under that.
Sir,
there, that file you delete it.
Sir.
Project folder, then it will work.
Sir. I'll delete it.
How much time you want?
So no, sir. I'll delete all the file and I'll do from beginning.
No. You delete only that first created file. Again, you can share it and you can.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing now. See, sir.
Why this much time to share? Your window is there only, no? I should have done it, yeah.
Sir, can I share?
Yes, madam. Now come to the cal servlet. You got it, no? This calculation. All of you got it, this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now click OK. Where is OK?
Hide. Sir, ಅದನ್ನ hide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Hide madam ಇದು. Hide ಮಾಡಿ. Calculations okay. Now all of you got it, this private calculation, local calculation line.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all of you got it. Now come down here. Bit come down. Your body is there now. Body. Down, 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 body. So you delete that line. Next line also delete it. And let it be that one, no problem. Now go up. So here is what you have to do is you have to write the code there. String capital letter, type it. Let it all of you let them do it. String x is equal to request dot request small letter R. Request dot get parameter. Get p, you type it. You will get it there. Get p. Type select the first one only. What happened? No, delete it. Once again, delete and dot after. You should be smart when you are creating. Delete one more line. Delete one more line. Dot also delete it. Dot. Now you select get parameter. No, you type get p. Then you will get it. Then you do it. Down and select it. Using mouse, you select that and delete. Enter it. Arrow keys only. Down you select and enter it. Within the code X is there. No, you there put it double T1 within the quotes. This one X is there. No, within the double quotes T1. Small letter. Delete once again. X is also delete it. Semicolon. Enter. Again same way, string y is equal to request dot get parameter, same thing, T2, enter it. If you are getting this, your program is working. T2. Double quotes. No. Your cursor went somewhere. Select now double quotes T2. End with semicolon. Enter. Next, you have to. This is nothing but the strings. You have to convert into the integers. Int a is equal to. How to convert? Integer dot parseInt. Actually, I capital letter. 1 second. No. You are not getting parse means something went wrong. I capital letter. Integer dot wait. ParseInt. You select. Select yes. Enter. So X. Similarly, Y also enter it. You are not using smartness, yeah. Dot afterwards, so P type it, dot P type it, and using cursor down, select that one. That's all. Using cursor, not mouse. Y. That's it. Semicolon. Y is there now. Again, Y you are deleting. Enter. Next, out dot println. Out dot println. Open, make it H1 and open H1 and close H1. Within the quotes H1 and space end of the H1. No, there only. Why you are close? You come here. Why you are deleting that? Close the bracket. Send a semicolon. Come before double quotes end. Before double quotes end. Before, not after. Space. Give 1 or 2 space, nothing will happen. There, end of the H1, close it. H1, close it. That's it. Now come back to front. Okay. Sorry. So double quote should be ended before only, before comment line only. What you have done correct. There only. All right. There you delete it. Afterwards is there, na? That we delete it. All right. Sorry, you are right. Right. Now come after H1 starting. You have to type one line there here. Addition of the program. Addition of the program. Just type one colon, double colon, double quotes end, space. N is there, delete it. Space plus 1 second. 1 second. All of you see here. Just go above your program here. Go to top. Go up. So here blue color is there. No, down. No. You have overwritten something. No. EJB, we have done it. No, EJB extension you have taken. No, what is the blue color? Private, calculation local, and this one is there. No, calculation is there. This is your object name. You have to use that object name. Come down now. Go to your code. Here type it. Calculation after plus. Otherwise, copy and paste it here. That is best. That calculation, copy and paste it here. Top is there. No. That calculation, copy it. Green color. Okay. Copy. Calculation full. Not for entire thing. Only calculation. Copy. Semicolon not required. Okay. Copy. No problem. Control C. And come down. There you paste it after plus. Semicolon, delete it. Dot and wait. Add int a comma b, second one. So you have to get it your functions here. Then only your answer is right. Enter. And that's all. And now after H, double quotes, delete it. No, that's all. Over your program. Now after H, end of the H is there. No, there you deleted double quotes. That is error. Delete it. Delete that one. Yeah. Bhargavi, super. Yeah. I told you to delete only double quote. That's all. Again, why you are giving there double quote? Before H1, end of the after AB. There double quotes end. There close it. That's all. There double quotes not required. Again, you are doing same mistake.
There after add of A comma B, enter plus symbol, sir. That's why it is showing error, not double quotes.
Correct. No, close bracket you have not given, yeah. Right, come. After H1, close it. After less than symbol, greater than symbol. Close. Again, why you are giving double quotes? I am not understanding, pa.
Sir, actually, A plus B ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗಿರಿ ಸರ್. ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಅದು ಅಯ್ಯಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ H1
Sir, it should be there.
It should be.
Okay. Right. Correct now. Now correct. Now save the program. All of you got it now, this? All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now come to the project. Yeah, so yours. Where is your program? program 10 EJB na. File. Program 10 you go. Program 10, first one. Project name. Right click. Deploy. Before running, you have to make deploy here. And here you make the two windows. Your result will be upcoming. Wait. That's what I told you morning. You have to wait. It should be build everything. Deploy means it make to come together that project. Whatever we made it JSP file, servlet file, other one is called, what is that called? Java file, all these things. You got it built successful? Anybody got built successful? Pawan?
No, sir. I didn't got.
Huh?
I didn't got build successful.
What you are getting?
Same like her, sir. Whatever she's getting, I'm getting same.
Okay. Now go to program once again. Right click. No. Project only. You have to select there. Right click. 1 second, Bhargavi. Before run. Click it. 1 second, wait. Starting the browser. One second. First time it will take time because what happened that Firefox is currently not now. Click it. Not now. Click. Right now, hello world you are getting. So just afterward that main display.jsp you enter it. Yeah. After war in browser cursor is there. This one is there now. Go to browser only. Why you have closed? Run once again. Wait there only. Here is there no localhost 8080 program 10-var is there no. Afterwards, click there. Click there. Come here. Come to end. Don't delete that. Main. What is the file name there? 1 second. I'll tell you. JSP file name. What you have given?
Main display.js.
Main display.jsp. Enter it, Bhargavi. Main display.jsp. Enter. You got it. You have not given breaks. You can give it later. 10, 20. Addition. So addition of the program is 30. Servlet close it at program number because that next line you have not deleted after addition. Okay. Bhargavi.
Hello, sir.
Got it now.
Yes, sir.
This is your answer.
Okay, sir.
How many lines code you have added? Probably 6 to say here on 3 lines, 6 lines, maybe 78 lines. That's all code. Only process is bit more. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Clear now? Can you able to tell others if anybody get errors now? Bhargavi?
No, sir, I'm not.
No, can you able to tell if anybody get errors to delete? Can you rectify?
No, sir.
Why no? Yes. Now go to program. This one, servlet program, go. Code, double click that. So here is there, no? After calculation, this out.println servlet, this line you delete it. No, next, that one, delete it.
Full, sir?
Full line, why you want that one? Addition of that numbers, that's it. That not required for us, yeah. Delete it, that's it. Save, run once again. Save, run once again. Deploy it first. That you have to remember, yeah, EJB programs, any program, whenever you are running after modification, you have to deploy, you have to run it. Run program, yeah. Again, same thing. Main. Yeah, you have deleted, yeah. Hello, you have to double click and enter it. Runs. Enter. Now deleted the next line.
Yes, sir.
That's what. Srinidhi, got it?
Yes, sir. I got.
Share your window. You stop it, yeah. Bhargavi. Srinidhi, share it.
Sir, 2 minutes, sir. I am sharing. I am sharing,
share,
sir. 2 minutes.
Share. At least if 10 people executed, I will be happiest person. For my hard work, it will. I'll be happy. Entered in message back. How many of them without errors you got this program?
Sir, I got error.
Srinidhi, Pawan Kumar, share it.
Yes, sir.
Pawan, you share it, yeah.
Yes, sir. Sharing.
Very good. Very good. Now, Pawan.
Yes, sir.
Pawan.
Sir.
That file is helpful for you. Program number 10, 11. What have sent it?
Yes, sir. It's helpful.
So parallelly, I have done it, and you can see when you are practicing next time also. All right, sir. Who else got? Maithili?
Yes, sir.
Can you share?
2 minutes, sir. I'll share.
Huh?
2 minutes, sir. I was logging into.
Okay. Next, Lata. Lata.
Sir, Srinidhi, can I share?
Srinidhi. Madappa. Share Madappa. How much time you need, Srinidhi? Right. So that line, how to delete it? You know, no. Next line, servlet, cat servlet. Srinidhi, go to your program, Scal servlet. Cal servlet program, you go. Cal servlet, come down. Come to the source code. Right hand side, come. Right hand side, click it and come down. Now come down. No, Cal servlet, Baba.
Sir, here this.
Cal servlet. So you don't know where to stare that one. You have var program. No, program 10 var is there. No, there double click plus. No, you should know where files will be stored also. Program 10 var is there. No, click plus left hand side. Now come down. Come down. So default package is there. Web click it. Source package click it. Here
Here,
cal
here,
servlet
yes.
Java is there. Say,
Sir,
double
this
click
one,
that. No, yes, come down here, left hand, right hand side now. That line you delete it. Request.get is there. No, after add, delete it that. Now save it and run the program. Program 10. Main project you go deploy and run.
yes, sir. Sir, here network issues that.
Okay,
Reason it
Baba.
is showing
No,
this.
now
Yeah.
you. I hope you don't have any problem.
Yeah.
Next, who else? Lata.
Yeah, I don't have any.
Sir, Maithili, shall I share, sir?
Share, ma. You can stop, Srinidhi. I hope your program will work now correctly. No problem.
Sir, is it visible, sir?
Right here. Now you know where the files will be storing, no?
Yes, sir.
Program 10 -EJB server related programs, 2 programs will be there. That comment lines, all of you I'm telling you. Comment lines, delete it and copy it in your record. 2 files are there, server side you write it. And client side make the heading and you have the JSP file and servlet program. The 2 files you write it in your client side. Comment lines you delete it. For understanding purpose in your system you keep it. When you are writing in your record, no need to write any comment lines. If you write comment lines, it will take more time. Correct now?
Yes,
Maithili? Okay?
Yes. Okay,
Good,
sir.
yeah. Close it. Next, anybody else? Bhargave. ನೀವು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಈಗ ನೀವು ರನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಆತರ ನೀವು ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್.
Okay, sir. Okay.
ಓಕೆ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಲತಾ ಶ್ರೀನಿಧಿದಾಯ್ತು. ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಿಮ್ದಾಯ್ತಮ್ಮ? Anybody is having errors, you can share it. Anybody's, if you are facing the problems, you have to share it. Amrish.
Yes, sir.
Share your program.
Okay, sir.
Now, what I thought is, if I am running, no, you people will not be doing parallelly. That is the reason I am asking you some student to do it.
Sir, share ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Share it.
ಸರ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಯಿಂದ ಇದು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
The third sharing only has left the meeting. That's it.
No, sir, once again.
Anu, completed.
Yes, sir.
Can you share it?
Yes, sir.
Share it, yeah. Benita D'Souza. Benita D'Souza completed. Right. So just click back here only. What inputs you have given? Yeah, 20, 30, 50. See, one second. Go back. See, when you are clicking here, main display.jsp, in that file name, you have given the form cal servlet. So go now, click addition. Enter the values and enter. No, enter it. You give one more break there, yeah, so that you will get the gap in between one file to one line to another line. So here now, file forward, you see, cal servlet. That is what the moving from one file to another file. So you have many options. We have learned the second unit, file options, forwarding, plugins, all these things. So which file you are using, based on that you have to do it, I hope. Right, yeah. Benita D'Souza, she has left. Bhavisha, Diksha.
Sir, Amrish.
Huh? Bhavisha.
I got sir. Sir,
Okay.
I got the same error like Arjun. So I am doing from first. Now I am doing that calculation servlet coding, sir.
Who?
Bhavisha.
Bhavisha, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, madam. Good.
Sorry, this is Amrish
Okay,
saying that.
no, without selecting also it will work, I hope. No problem. But anyway, select it. You will not get any problems. Right, Amrish? Good.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very good. So, shall we stop now? I hope. Anybody else done it now? Jinjar Singh?
ಸರ್ ಎರರ್ ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ತರ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ.
ಏನ ಎರರು?
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸರ್ವ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay. So I hope you people can do it now. If you have any errors, you can call, you can send one SMS or WhatsApp after 8:30. So 1 hour, 8:30 to 9:30. So I will be using system only so that I can interact with you people. You have to send one link. Yesterday, Benita, she has sent it and I told you how to do it. Arjun, day before yesterday, she has done it. So if you have any errors, you have to send one link. Sir, can you share it? Can you join us? So I will join. I will try to help. If not, I will give you the time also. That is what you have to practice. Sir, what I am telling is you have to practice the programs. Without practicing, it will not work. So some of the people are not practicing. So that is your problems. So now maybe it took 1 hour for us. But if you are do by your own, probably 15 to 20 minutes within that, you can finish it off. Nothing is there. At least the database, you have to remember the commands. Here, nothing. No need to remember any commands. Just you should know the process. That's it. I hope. Now tell me tomorrow or day after tomorrow, database connection program. With your tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Arjun?
Sir?
I will not take much time. I will execute and I will leave you. Parallel, you do it. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
Sir, day after tomorrow, because we have so much work, sir. Like 4 assignments are there for us. So day after tomorrow is fine, sir.
No, anytime you will be at home only. No. Oh, okay, no problem. Day after tomorrow, tell me the timings.
Yeah, sir. Like your time, sir. Or tomorrow is fine, sir. It's your wish, sir. Tomorrow also fine.
Okay, tomorrow I'll finish stuff. So after this one, what is that? Proctoring. So 1:45 it will start, I hope. 1:45 means 2:30 shall we start? 2:30 will start and 4:30 I will be completing. That also same thing only. Small mistake. I'll send you the file name. Just copy and paste it. Then you can practice it. That's all. Okay. I hope it's clear. I'll be attendance morning. I'll tell you the absentees. If anybody plus minus is there, just you can tell it. Picture number 10 is there?
Sir.
What happened morning?
Sir, no, sir. Network issues, sir. So.
Morning you were present or absent?
Present, sir, but network issues, sir.
Okay, ma. I'm giving no morning attendance also now also. Right, 13. Register number 13, absent. 24. 29.
Yeah.
Huh? 29. That's all. Why? But many people are left already. Why? Right, sir. I will stop the class today and you can practice it. If you have any errors, please let me know later.